Greetings everyone! We are here to discuss the 6 principles of communication. First is, communication is purposeful. Communication is continuous. Communication may vary in consonant coding. Communication is relational. Communication has ethical implications. And lastly, communication is
want to discuss the 2 principles of communication, which are communications being purposeful and continuous. We will start the first principle of communication, which is purposeful. In communicating, we don't only aim to give information. Most of the time, we communicate because we want to share our feelings, our ideas, and even our experiences in life. They say that we achieve to communicate well when we did our purpose. Second principle is that communication is continuous. It is continuous because we tend to send and receive messages even if we are conscious or not.
Here to discuss the third principle of communication. The third principle is that communication messages may vary in consonant coding. Messages may vary into verbal or non-verbal symbols. It can be script which can be rehearsed or based on own understanding of the situation. For example, in role-playing, we memorize the situation and the script wherein we will act on it without any use of guidelines.
The fourth principle, that communication is relational. It states that wherein you understand by saying what you feel, which can be related to expressionity. Communication is that it can be an ethical implication. These principles state that every person has their own beliefs on ethical values, which can affect on the culture of the person you are communicating. The sixth principle is that communication is learned. Ever since we were born, we use non-verbal communication, such as crying, which is learned as we grow. We were taught by our parents to communicate with others, especially with them.